in the University of Quebec of Abitibi and Montreal. Let me talk about the effects of forest management on soil fungal communities. Clear felling is still the dominant harvesting practice used in boreal forest today, and it is well known that they are alter biodiversity, ecosystem function, and services. So I propose continuous cover forestry as a potential alternative which better mimics small-scale disturbance regime. Basic definition of continuous cover forestry is the use of silviculture systems whereby the forest canopy is maintained one or more levels without clear felling. So the absence of clear felling as a key part of it. Until recently, researchers have shown that continuous cover maintains plant invertebrate biodiversity by emulating natural disturbance. But whether this extends to soil fungal communities remains unclear. Within forest sites across the mid-boreal zone of Sweden, we conduct a comprehensive study to assess the impact of continuous cover and clear felling on soil fungi and chemical properties within Norway spruce dominated forest, using unmanaged forest as a control. We sampled soils for chemical properties and used both surveys of fungal fruiting bodies and state-of-the DNA metabarcoding techniques to assess treatment effects on soil fungal communities. We found that forest management treatments differently influence soil chemistry, fruiting body biomass, and community composition of fruiting bodies and soil fungi. Specifically, the continuous cover appeared more similar to unmanaged stance than clear fell with respect to soil chemical properties, fruiting body abundance, and soil fungal community composition. Additionally, we found the variation in fruiting body and soil fungal community composition showed a significant relationship with soil chemistry. This suggests community changes were at least in part influenced by chemical changes in soils. Consequently, continuous cover can broadly maintain similar fruiting body abundance, soil fungal communities, and soil chemistry to unmanaged forests in Norway spruce dominated boreal forest. After this research, we think future studies should be directed towards assessing temporary effects throughout the full rotation cycle to improve our understanding of the impact of forest management strategies on long-term biodiversity. Thank you.
Great presentation. Thank you so much, Sanghyun. I think that
what is the main advantage of having continuous cover in the forest? Is it something which touches upon biochemistry of the forest, or is it regeneration issue, or is it something which combines both, or is it something else?
Okay. I think my point was that the clear felling usually alters the community structure so rapidly, but this continuous cover forest treatment maintain the community structure of soil fungi. Not only for that, but in my research, I was focusing on soil fungal communities. So after harvesting, after clear cutting, the community structure was totally altered, while continuous cover maintained soil fungal community structure and biodiversity. Is that enough
okay?
for? Okay.
Okay. So, but when we promote continuous cover forest, do we do it predominantly for biodiversity sake, or we do it for productivity sake?
Well, I found actually continuous cover can be also cost-efficient treatment compared to clear felling. In the long-term perspective, but my research is more like focusing on the conserving biodiversity perspective. Thank you.
Okay, good.
Great answer, Sanghyun. Akib, Hassan, are you